Hello friends, welcome to Gardening is My Love. In this brand new episode, let me present before you the amazing benefits of betel leaves nobody told you. Betel leaf is a vine from the family of Piperaceae, mostly consumed in India and Asia as a paan along with arecanut or tobacco. While many look at it as paan consumed after a good meal or just as a habit, it also has a significant place during religious rituals in India. In India, the betel leaves are offered to gods, elders in the family, as a mark of respect during festivals and functions. However, these glossy, heart-shaped leaves are often ignored for the huge amount of health benefits they offer to mankind. Known as paan ka patta in Hindi, tamalapaku in Telugu, vetalapaku in Tamil, vatla in Malayalam. These leaves not only as bad as you imagine. Betel leaves come with several curative health benefits as they are loaded with vitamins like vitamin C, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, carotene, and a great source of calcium. Now let me bring before you the important health benefits of paan leaf. Firstly, it is analgesic. Betel leaf is an excellent analgesic that offers instant relief from pain. It can be used in alleviating pain caused due to cuts, bruises, rashes, etc. Make a paste with tender betel leaves and apply it to the affected area. Betel leaf juice provides relief from internal pains in the body. Secondly, it eases constipation. Betel leaves are powerhouse of antioxidants that clear radicals from the body. It restores normal pH levels in the body and helps an upset stomach. Ayurveda widely recommends eating betel leaves for relief from constipation. Crush betel leaves and put them in the water overnight. Drink the water in the morning on an empty stomach to ease bowel movements. Thirdly, it improves digestion. Ever wondered why chew on a betel leaf after a good meal? It is recommended because of its carminative, intestinal, anti-flatulent, and those properties that help in protecting the gut. Betel leaves increase metabolism, triggering circulation and stimulating the intestines to absorb vital vitamins and nutrients. Next, it reduces respiratory issues. Betel leaf widely helps in treating issues related to cough and cold. It's an excellent cure for those suffering from chest, lung congestion and asthma. Apply some mustard oil on the leaf, warm it and place it on the chest to cure congestion. You can also boil a few leaves in water. Add cardamom, cloves and cinnamon in 2 cups of water. Reduce it to 1 cup and consume this concoction 2 or 3 times a day for excellent relief from congestion and breathing issues. It is antiseptic and antifungal. Betel leaves have amazing antiseptic properties as they are rich in polyphenols, especially Shavicol, offering dual protection from germs. It is also used extensively in treating arthritis and orchitis. Its amazing antifungal properties provide instant relief from fungal infections. Applying the paste of betel leaves kills fungal infection in the affected area. It important maintains oral health. Betel leaves are bestowed with numerous antimicrobial agents that effectively combat a host of bacteria dwelling in the mouth, which trigger a distinctly bad smell, as well as issues of cavities, plaque, and tooth decay. Chewing a tiny amount of paan leaves paste after meals not only boosts gut wellness but also fights bad breath, mouth odor, as well as relieves toothaches, gum pain, swelling, and oral infections. Next, it relieves joint pain. A treasure trove of anti-inflammatory compounds is found in betel leaves, which tremendously diminish discomfort and aching in the joints. Prominent signs of many chronic debilitating illnesses like rheumatoid arthritis, osteoporosis, etc. Warming a bunch of fresh betel leaves and tying them tightly around the affected bones and joints significantly lessen the intensity of pain, inflammation in that region, and alleviates symptoms of arthritis. It manages diabetes. Several studies have revealed that betel leaf powder has the potential to lower blood sugar spikes in newly diagnosed type 2 diabetic patients. Betel leaf is a strong antioxidant that helps in combating oxidative stress and lower inflammation caused due to uncontrolled blood glucose and supports in the management of diabetes. It prevents cancer. Betel leaves, when taken with tobacco and betel nuts, is causative factor for increasing the risk of oral cancer. However, it should be noted that betel leaf alone is packed with valuable phenolic compounds that possess antioxidant, anti-mutagenic, and anti-proliferative properties. Aside from these, betel leaves also contain a wealth of phytochemicals that possess cancer-fighting benefits. Betel leaves fight depression. Betel leaves is used for ages as a natural remedy for stimulating the central nervous system. The presence of aromatic phenolic compounds in betel leaves stimulate the release of catecholamines, which enhances the sense of well-being, uplifts mood. Therefore, chewing betel nuts alone is a simple way to beat depression. Is chewing betel leaf good? Yes, it has got many health benefits. A sense of well-being, heightened alertness, sweating and salivation. Betel chewing also benefits hair and skin health. So what are the benefits of eating betel leaf for hair? Using betel leaves regularly helps in quick hair growth. Regular use of betel leaves can treat issues of hair fall. Moreover, they can help enhance hair luster and make the tresses thick and long. The leaf's therapeutic properties help treat itchiness, dandruff, and split ends. Betel leaf is very good for the skin because of antimicrobial properties. Betel leaf is a natural treatment for skin disorders such as rashes, acne, itching, and body odors. So we can find in our homes, in our gardens, betel leaves. You can grow them easily. It does not require much care. So why waste buying chemicals, tablets and all? This is a natural remedy. It has been passed on from our ancestors. So make good use of betel leaves. Plant them. Thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Your one like and share will motivate me to come up with more such videos. Also, press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.